The farm animals are getting antsy. They see the green grass and they are ready to go back out to pasture. So today we're going to be going through the process of moving the animals back out onto fresh green grass, starting with our bull, Rocky. You ready, buddy?
All right, boy.
You're going to get some green grass. Oh, he knows what's going on. He seems content. He's taking his time. I know that we're moving the rest of the cows out to pasture tomorrow, and that's gonna be the big thing.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh. I heard a noise and I was so confused. It's a snake. It's a snake. This is a very big snake for us too. It's not a rattlesnake, but it is rattling its tail. So it's one of those like imitation ones, and the cats are playing with it and it's about to, yeah, it's not happy. Oh my gosh. Girls, stay away. Okay. Guys, stay back. I don't want it to get me. Oh, that snake is not happy. Guys, leave it alone. That is a long snake. Here in Iowa, we never see snakes. Every couple years we see one, and this is definitely the biggest snake I've ever seen. If my dad were here right now, he would be panicking because he hates snakes. This is crazy. Okay, well, back to what I was saying. I don't even remember what I was saying. I know we're moving the cows tomorrow, which is gonna be the big project, but I also wanna start moving the horses out to the pasture and integrating them into that. Horses have really sensitive stomachs, so you can't just switch them from hay to grass right away. It takes time. So my horses have been hand grazing quite a bit, but I think I'm gonna start putting them out onto the actual pasture, start getting used to it again. So I'm gonna do that right now. That snake is not happy. I don't know why the cats aren't leaving it alone. Ember, just leave it. Just leave it. The sky actually looks so perfect right now. That's crazy. Okay, let's go get the girls. Hi. Okay, got Miss Maggie's halter on. She's being very crazy right now. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna lead Maggie and then Selena is gonna follow, right? Come on, Selena. She's coming. Maggie, not yet. I gotta get your halter. Okay, be free. Okay, well, I was hoping that they'd maybe run around a little bit, but they seem content with just eating right now. So I'm gonna let them eat out here for a few hours, and then when it's chore time, I'll bring them back in. Okay, girls, ready to go back? I'm gonna take them one at a time this time, and I'm gonna get Selena first, and then Maggie. Oh, hi, Maggie. She looks so majestic in the field. You're so pretty. Yes, you are. Okay, let's go back. Oh. Come on, Maggie. Okay, today's finally the day that we're going to be moving the cows out onto pasture. Yesterday, with my brother's help, Dad set up all the fences, so they're all ready to go. First thing we need to do this morning is castrate the 2 bull calves that we just had, and you might be wondering why we didn't do that already. Right now, they're in a dry lot, and we'd rather have them banded when they're out on pasture in a cleaner area. So we're going to be banding the bull calves first. Hopefully, we can catch them, and it goes quickly and easily, and then we're going to move everybody out onto grass. Oh yeah, we know. You're ready. Wow.
That ain't good.
I thought you liked shy animals, Dad.
That ain't good for this. How about that?
Hi, Bunny. Oh, easy, buddy. Come on, buddy. All done. Okay, the boys are banded. That's always a little stressful. But now it is finally time to walk them through the pastures and the pens to get them out into their pasture area. Dad was just telling me that all of the fences aren't on, so I need to be careful not to touch any of them. Usually when we do it, they're off, but Dad doesn't want the new calves to think that the hot wire fence does nothing. And if that's their first impression on it, that it does nothing, then they'll probably keep thinking that they can go under it. So we want them to get used to the hot wire right away and stay in their area. Okay, let's go. They see the grain and they want it. I'm trying to put my hair up, but she won't leave me alone. It's so windy out today. Okay. Come on, cows. Hey, girl. Oh my goodness. So happy. Those two are excited. Is that a nice tree? Gertie loves a good scratching tree. Even Rosie's got some zoomies. Come on! Dad's making sure that the calves follow. Oh, Rosie's running. Come on. Let's go. Oh my goodness. Tank. Come on, Noel. So happy. The calves are all still in there. There we go. Oh, maybe not. There you go. No, do not go back in. Okay. There we go. Hey, buddy. We're getting there. Walk down this way. Come on. Whoa. Cheeto, what are you doing? This grass is taller than you. Come on, everybody. Why isn't Gertie coming? She's taking her sweet time. Come on, cows. Okay, Dad's got that gate getting closed. Gertie is so slow today. Oh, Noel. Oh, okay. No, 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 no. Come on, guys. This is where you need to be. Right here. Oh my goodness. What are you doing? Now they can't get back in because they're afraid. There's one calf. Or not. No. Dad lifted it up. Noel, come on. There we go. Bonnie, I cannot believe you followed us. Why'd you do that? You're crazy. Poor Rocky. He just wants his girls. Dad's doubling up the fence right now, kind of like it is on that one. Usually we just do one strand, but with the calves, it's better to do two. Oh my goodness, they're all so happy. This is their favorite day ever, every year. Moving the cows actually went pretty smoothly, and I'm really happy with how it went. And I know they are super happy too. Okay, I came in quick to put on a jacket. Believe it or not, it's actually pretty cold out there today. It's really windy too. Now we need to set up a water trough for the cows, and we're gonna put an electric waterer in it so that it just runs throughout the year, and then we don't need to worry about filling it every day. So we need to go set that up right now. You're trying to get the end off? Oh wow. So Dad actually ended up finishing setting up the water trough because I had to do some paperwork for the baby goats. The last of the babies that will be leaving are actually leaving today. So about a week ago, Sage left. She was the first one to go. She went to be a 4-H goat. And then the next day, Captain left. He went to my uncle's house. He has some of my goats from last year. And then the day after that, Taco, Millie, and Stormy left. They all went together. And the lady that bought them asked if I had any more for sale. Romeo, don't knock it over. And I told her I still had 5 left and that I needed to get them sold before I left for camp, and she said she was gonna think about maybe getting some more, and she ended up deciding to get all of them, so that's great. So they're gonna get picked up today. So after today, the only baby goats that will be left are Buttercup's doelings, Iris and Violet, and then one of Rose's doelings, Lilac. Okay, I know this is really random, but a couple days ago my family and I went to the Adventureland theme park, and I actually filmed some of it, and I wanted to put it in this vlog just so that we could have it for memories. Oren, are you ready? Yeah. You always have to run to the first ride. Oh my gosh. Oren, how was your first roller coaster?
Scary.
Scary. But so fun.
Yeah. The rides were fun, but the turns were scary.
The turns were a little scary.
This is the best one.
Hi, buddy. Oren. Hi.
Oh, okay.
Here we go.
Isaac's dying in there.
He's spinning way better than us.
I know.
You gotta shift your weight, yeah? 1, 2, 3, go. See?
Oh, there we go.
There we go.
There we go.
See?
And it's done.
Oh my goodness.
I don't think I can fit now.
Ready?
Whoa.
I'm gonna scream.
I giggle when I'm on a scary ride.
Why?
Because I don't know, I don't scream, I just laugh. And you scream? Eli, what do you do on a scary ride?
I put my hands in the air.
Do you scream? Yeah. Push it open.
A little bit scary.
Eli.
Maybe if we die, we'll still be alive.
I don't want to go.
Oh my goodness! You can see everything! I think this is Oren's type of ride. This is the only horse Isaac will get on. Oren!
Did I put on a good performance?
this ride again, and we're gonna actually try and make it spin this time because last time Dad did a bad job.
And I'm the pro, apparently.
If we die, we might not die.
You're probably really hot in that, aren't you?
Uh-huh.
Everyone smile. Isla, real smile.
Keep leaning this way.
Oh, okay. In this way. Hold on. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe if you'd like to stick around. God bless you, and I'll see you in the next one.